Okay, so let's look at some adverbs. So, at little, a little, a little amount of something, a small amount of something. I have a little bit, a little bit of water, little bit of water. Nice. Or something not very big, a little dog. I wrote a little book or little novel. I made a little statue. Yeah. How cool is that? But remember that adverbs talk about how things are, in a way to describe things, but they talk about it in a sense of how it is, not what it is or what it looks like. So it's in the form it's a way of describing word. So a little bit, the amount, a little statue, a little novel, the way it is. So about, on the subject of something. I am talking about English. I am learning about the Spanish language. I have been reading about that topic. I have been thinking about going to Scotland. How cool is that? Actually, the truth of the matter. Actually, the answer is this. Actually, we need to turn right. Actually, it might work. Actually, this is the document you want. Actually, this pile of books will take a long time to read. You know what, actually? Let's do it. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.